a meadow green where flowers sway. There's a busy little bee. In this video, I'm going to share just one easy craft with you. I'm using this little bee bear and a honey pot, and I want to have the possibility to reuse the honey pot for its intended purpose later on. So I'm not painting the inside, I'm just using this yellow burlap ribbon, rolled it up and put it inside so it looks like there's honey in there. And now I'm taking a piece of burlap and made like a tag. I just cut out like a tag out of it and wrote honey onto the burlap with a permanent marker. And then I'm just putting a couple dots of hot glue on there to hold it in place. And then I'm going to add some embellishments. I'm using beads, but you could use whatever you wanted to glue that onto the tag as well. And now I'm taking this buffalo check ribbon and I'm going to wrap that around the knob on the top and tie it into a bow, just a little simple bow. And I'm going to pull off the loops and fluff it up a little bit so it looks all nice and cute. And now I'm going to glue on these little flowers. I just pulled them off of another type of flower and just glued those into the center of the bow there. And I have these little teeny bees. And I'm going to glue those onto the honey pot as well, just on the flower and on the bow. And then I'm also going to glue one of these little teeny tiny bees onto the honey tag. Next, I'm going to take my little honey bear. Like I said, I want to be able to use this later if I want to. So I'm just going to put just a little bit of hot glue on the bear so it looks like it's hugging the honey pot. And there we go, cute little honey bear honey pot. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Together, honey, from dawn till night. There'll be